it's really easy. Right? You can go onto the App Store for iOS, Google Play, to download something and have an HR solution. Or let's face it, it's not everything is HR necessarily, but people-related solutions,
Yes.
people technology solutions, and you can have something up and running. But the complexity is all of the information, essentially, and the security of that information.
Yeah.
And in many geographies, including Europe, we've got quite a good information governance, and we require certain protections in place for protection of the individual. And there's a lot of considerations around that, which I would say from pain, that if you don't consider them, you will end up in a bit of a mess.
Yeah.
Now, it is feasible to see it as part of your journey. You might say, well, let's try and change the culture. Let's get something quick in, and then start to consider that afterward. And that can be an approach, but it really does require each thing. But the reason I like Microsoft is that you've got so much selection there. You've got diversity. You've got the breadth of most things that you'd need. In my experience of dealing these solutions with people. So underpinning all of that Microsoft ecosystem is a fantastic layer, the Dataverse, which is secure and all of that. And that whole approach of having cloud-based HR solutions does take a lot of the pain around that information out of it. So whilst it is easy to say, well, we can pick anything, and you can, that's your choice. So let's say that certain picks are better than others.